Welcome to the DJI Dock 3 tutorial video. This video will introduce the installation and usage of DJI FTS module. Unscrew the compartment cover screws using the 1.5mm hex screwdriver and remove the upper cover. Lay the thermal pad flat at the bottom of the dongle compartment. Place the FTS module with the adhesive side facing up. Align the USB-C port with the USB-C plug inside the compartment. Gently push the module in, then press down to adhere and secure it. Peel off the protective film from the FTS module. Place the dongle module with the DJI logo facing down. Insert the USB-C plug of the FTS module into the USB-C port of the dongle. Then connect the antenna connector inside the dongle compartment to the dongle. Gently press down on the dongle. Lay the thermal pad flat on the dongle. Put on the included metal cover. Ensure the compartment cover fits flush with the drone body, and then tighten the 4 screws in sequence. Enter Flight Hub 2 Device Maintenance DJI Flight Termination System. The device SN and firmware version can be viewed in the device information section. Click the icon to enter the flight termination system page. Click Verify. Slide right to stop flight. Then the aircraft motors will stop. You can also stop flight by sharing the QR code and verifying with a smartphone. Make sure the aircraft and the remote controller are connected. Enter DJI Pilot 2. Tap Common Settings About. Then scroll down to check the FTS information. Enter the FTS address on your smartphone or computer. Enter the device SN and verification code. Slide right to stop flight.